Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use the summertime feature on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's choose here the car icon to open the settings. Here you can use the top menu, so let's switch from assistant to system, and now you can use this left menu, scroll down to select here time and date. As you can see under time and date, you can scroll down to select here the summertime. Let's tap summertime. As you can see right now, I'm using the automatic summertime. It's quite useful, so car jumps an hour forward or backward twice a year in my case, and I don't need to remember about it. Or you can just, if you would like to manually turn on summertime or turn off summertime, if you turn it off, as you can see, you've got here the different hour, but in my case, I will use the automatic summertime. It's the best, and I think the only good way to use it. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.